My people, one that's not go cease to end. The one I call seafood now. Cooking, I don't understand what these people they cook. How can you be putting indomie inside hot water, putting craft, putting all this thing? What be this way again? Meat and beauty corner inside hot water. What be this way again? Now you call the chop strawberry and pineapple. I'm waiting the food to done, and the food not there inside. It's not there inside. It's not there inside fire. It was just ordinary hot water. Hot water, and they just put this thing. So now, see the way they eat this one. So you will be mad. Okay, they turn for them. Okay, my goodness, what kind of food be this? Notice will know they eat. Nothing they know. I never see your food or they look at food. If I ever carry food go school sometimes, or they look the food somehow. Most of all these people, so just imagine this indomie not done. Wallahi sabillah, this indomie not done. Wallahi billah, not you want tell me. No matter you want on this indomie, you know, total be down, total go just don't indomie like that. Ha, my goodness me. They never put indomie ingredients. You know, say indomie still gets spicy. What it be this again? What it be all this one? This one I eat or pass. I go pass. So. Eat or pass. What it be this one? See. That one just they pack the craft. Let's see. How these people they eat, sha? Both grass or everything that they carry. My goodness me. Eat or pass. You go eat this one. The papa just stay like that. The papa just they still get they call this meat too. Grounded meat. It's still there inside. Not it done for you. If you eat this one finish wallahi billahi. Toilet na your neighbor. Toilet na your neighbor. If you eat this one, you carry black hair, go toilet, you go like that for them because you don't need to wake up and down. Once you just stand up, you just enter inside the water system, you do one. Oh God. So they want to drink this water now. My goodness me. Okay, now Papa won't collect the last water. Okay, Papa, take your own. You never see Papa, wait here. Papa no dey drink water. Okay. Wait up for Papa. Ha. This is why now. Una dey eat.